So in the 2-star hotels, even they are having a 10 rooms. All 75% of the room should be air conditioned. The lobby will be decorated with a finest furniture. This type of 3-star hotels, there will be at least 20 letables rooms. In this type of hotels, at least 50% of the hotel room should be having this type of facilities, like most modern shower chamber should be there. Hello my dear students, I am your Ajay sir, faculty Department of Commerce and Management, Vidhyaashram First Grade College, MYSURU, a Temple of Excellence. My dear students, in today's session I am going to handle the subject Management of Service for 2nd Sem B.B.A, and the topic is Management of Hotel Industry. Now let's go to the first slide. In the previous session we were discussing what are the types of hotel and how we can classify the hotel and the guest cycle of the hotel. And in this session also we can discuss about the different types of hotel or different types of classification of hotel. So again, next one, the classification on the base of stars. So you may heard single star hotel, double star hotel, triple star, 4-star and 5-star. Nowadays it is 7-star, up to 7-star hotels are there. Now on what basis we can give the stars? On what basis? There are some criteria, rules, regulations. Under rules, regulation and criteria we can give the stars. So the first one is single star hotel. So single star hotel, under single star hotel, these are small hotels managed by proprietor. There will be a owner called proprietor. So he will manage the hotel under affordable attraction, major intersection and convenience. See, this type of hotel will not give you luxuries, but they are based on convenient facility. It may be small like swimming pool, AC rooms they can provide, and telephone facility, internet facility, and also there is a criteria like that. So it should be having, hotel should have at least 10 lettable bedrooms. So they should be having at least minimum 10 lettables or bedrooms which are available for rent. And also all bedroom, out of 10 rooms, 25% of the bedroom should be AC. They should be having a AC facility, air conditioned facility. And also the bathroom, whatever you can find, the bathroom in the 10 bedrooms, that should be having a western style of bathroom should be there in the hotel facility. Next one, reception counter should be there with a telephone facility, and also next one, telephone for the guest. So this type of hotel will provide the telephone facility for the guests who come, and also they will be having a reception facility with a receptionist. Now let's go to the second type of hotel, that is 2-star hotel. What do you mean by 2-star hotel or double star hotel? So the building should be constructed and the locality and the environs including the approach suitable for good hotel. So it should be having a not only building, there should be for example, garden should be there in this 2-star hotel. So in the hotel which is having 2-star should be having a garden facility and a building. Next one, there should be a reception counter with a telephone. So there should be, it is a mandatory to call it as a 2-star hotel. There should be a reception counter with a receptionist and fully air conditioned. That reception should be fully air conditioned, and also they should be having experienced, courteous and efficient staff in smart and clean uniform. So in 2-star hotel, all the staff should be uniform and they should be trained and well experienced, so that they can handle the guest in an efficient way. In a very efficient way they can manage the guest, and also they can understand what is the actual needs of the guest or the customers, and they can provide the best quality of service. Next one, they should be having at least 10 rooms. So here they should be having 10 lettable rooms with 75% should be having a western bathrooms and showers. So in these two types of hotel, out of 10 rooms, 75% of the room should be having a attached bathroom with showers. Next one, they should be having a telephone facility also, and in each room they should be having a telephone facility and luxury furniture should be there, and also they should be having a high standard fittings and furniture should be there. So in the 2-star hotels, even they are having a 10 rooms, all 75% of the room should be air conditioned, and also they should be having a western type of toilet, and also they should be having a shower facility and also telephone facility in each room with a luxury furniture and other facilities in the 2-star hotel. And also some hotels will be having swimming pool facility and other entertainment facilities also available in the 2-star hotels. So these type of hotels usually you can find in the semi-urban area. Semi-urban area we can find the 2-star hotels. Next one, coming to the 3-star hotels. What do you mean 3-star hotels? See, typically these hotels offer a spacious accommodations that includes a well-appointed staff and decorated lobbies. In the quality wise, they have improved compared to the 2-star hotels. They will be having a good hotel building and also garden, and also with more accommodative, including the good staff, well-trained staff, and also experienced staff and decorated lobbies. The lobby will be decorated with a finest furniture. There will be decoration will be there. Next one, bell desk service. So in this type of hotels, you can find a bell desk service. What do you mean by bell desk service? When you go to when you enter the hotel, there will be reception. So, but there will be no receptionist. Bell will be fixed in the reception table, and if you bell the bell, someone will attend you. Some receptionist will come and attend you. They will provide the information regarding the rooms facility and other facilities available in the hotel, and whatever the charges they charge for the other types of facility. Next one, located near the business area. These type of hotels usually located in the business area like Bangalore, Chennai, like metropolitan cities. You can find these 3 types of hotels, but they will not, or they cannot provide the luxurious facilities like 4-star and 5-star, but compared to reasonable wise, compared to area wise, it is better or affordable service are provided. Next one, well furnished and well maintained dining rooms, restaurants and premises. So they will be having a good premises and well maintained dinings with a luxurious fittings and furnitures. And these hotels will be having at least 20 letables rooms. In 2-star hotels, there will be 10 letables rooms with 75% of AC. But in this type of 3-star hotels, there will be at least 20 letables rooms, and also at least that 50% of the rooms will be having the condition and air condition and furniture. So 50% of rooms will be having, that means what, 10 rooms out of 20 rooms, there will be 10 rooms will be having air condition with a western kind of bathrooms, and shower facility will be available. They can provide the telephone facility and also internet facility, and nowadays it is a swimming pool will be available, traveling also available, and also help desk will be available in that hotel, and very luxurious compared to nowadays. So it may be TV, refrigerator, other types of luxurious things will be available in this type of hotels. Now coming to the 4-star hotel. What in the 4-star hotel? See, in the 4-star hotel, there will be facade architectural features and general construction of the hotel building should have distinctive qualities. What do you mean facade? Facade means the front of the business or the front shape of the business should be decorated. So, for example, if you go to the 5-star or 3-star hotel, the front design of the building will be decorated with a westernized materials. It will be decorated. The front office will be building, or also the front of the building, the main door of the building will be decorated with westernized or very expensive furniture and also expensive building materials. That is what facade architectural features. And also distinctive quality. So building should be having distinctive quality. They have to maintain. So they have to maintain very advanced kind of materials they have to bring to the hotels. It may be lights, or it may be garden area, or it may be other facilities, staffs. Everyone should be well qualified, well uniform, neatly and very disciplinedly. They have to maintain the area and also staff in this type of hotels. Next one, receptionist. There should be a receptionist, and there should be a cash counter and information counter should be there. So in this type of hotel, there will be cash counter. So who will take a responsibility of paying the cash and also receiving the room rent and other charges, and also information counter. So if the guest coming from other parts of the country, they don't know where to go or which type of place they can visit in the area, and also if they are coming for the business purpose, what are the facilities available in the hotels. So all this information given in the information desk, and also receptionist will take care of the providing the room and other information regarding the hotels. Next one, highest qualified, trained and experienced personal and conference facilities. Now next one, highest qualified, trained, experienced personnel and conference facility. What do you mean by see in this type of hotels there will be highest quality, international quality of experience you can get, international quality of staff, qualified staff, trained staff. They are studied from for example in MBA. If you go to MBA, there is an MBA called hotel management itself. So they are coming from that type of training, that type of education regarding the hotel industry and tourism industry only. They'll be getting the training and education. So this type of staff are available in the 4-star hotels. These type of hotels are available in the multinational or international level. This type of hotels are available, or it may be cities which are like metropolitan cities like Bangalore, Delhi. If you go to the UK, or if you go to the Western countries, USA or the Washington, so these type of hotels are available. It may be 4-star or 5-star. And the next point is at least 25% lettable rooms. So out of the total rooms, whatever the rooms they are having, at least 25% of the rooms should be having attached bathrooms with a long bath and most modern shower chamber. So this hotel should be having a most modern shower chamber. At least out of 100% room, 25% should be having western toilets and shower chambers, and at least 50% of the bathroom must have a long baths or the most modern shower chambers. So here also at least 50% of the bathroom should be having a most modern shower chambers. Next one, 5-star hotels. So this is the usually you will be having, you heard the name 5-star hotel. If you go to any industrial country, or it may be any western countries, developed countries, it may be Hotel Ashoka in the Bangalore. These are all the 5-star hotels will be having. And also, for example, Hotel Taj is a 5-star hotel. And if you go to the Hotel Ashoka is a 5-star hotel. So many hotels are available. These hotels usually concentrated on the very big and large cities. It may be industrial areas. It may be capital city of the country or capital city of the state. This type of hotels are available in the very big and large cities. So facade architecture means what? Facade architecture means the front side of the building should be very much architectured, and it should be in a western style or very luxurious architecture should be there in the front side. Next one, features and general construction of the hotel building should have a distinctive qualities. So it should be having a garden, it should be having a good lighting facilities, it should be having a park facility, swimming pool. So all the building should be having all the facilities, and also safety measures in case of fire, in case of any accidents. So all the measures should be taken in the building. So very well distinctive qualities. So it should be having a highest quality of material should be used while constructing the building. Next one, the locality including the immediate approach. So the locality should be immediate approach means what? For example, airport. If there is an airport, the airport should be available immediately. In that locality, we have to construct this type of hotels. It may be city center, it nearby the airport, nearby the tourist spot. So like that, we can find this type of hotels. This type of hotels having a receptionist and also cash counter and information counter. So this type of like 4-star hotel, this type of hotels also will be having a receptionist and also bell desk, receptionist will be there, and also cash counter will be there, and also they will be having information counter which provides the proper information regarding the facilities available in the hotel, and also if the guest wants to go to sightseeing, so what are the sightseeing places are available nearby area. Next one, at least 25% lettable rooms with a attached bathroom with a long bath and most modern shower chamber. So at least 25% of the total room should be having a long bath, and also bath chamber should be there, and also very expensive bathroom or also other materials should be used in this type of hotels. Next one, at least 50% of the bathroom must have a long baths or most modern shower chambers. In this type of hotels, at least 50% of the hotel room should be having this type of facilities like most modern shower chamber should be there. And next one, provision for the reliable laundry and dry cleaning facilities. So 5-star hotel should be having a provision for laundry and dry cleaning facilities. Next point is both international and the Indian food and beverages service. So if you go to the 5-star hotel, you can find international food and drinks, and also Indian food and drinks should be available, because that's why it is called as international hotels. So 5-star hotels will be having, it may be Chinese or maybe no European food, or maybe US. So any type of food will be available. So for example, Arabian, or it may be European, or it may be Western, Chinese, Indian. So any type of food will be available. In India also, North Indian, South Indian. So any type of food you can order in this type of hotels. It may be like Hotel Ashoka is there. So Hotel International hotels are available in the largest cities. Next one, highest possible standards. See, these hotels will maintain highest possible standards, and also they charge very highest price for the service what they are providing. So 5-star hotels are very luxurious and costly for the common man. So even though they have to charge that much of amount, because they maintain highest standard. It may be quality, it may be food, it may be furniture, it may be design, interior decoration, and also you can approach for the other functions facility also available. Function rooms they will provide, the big large halls they will provide. It may be business meeting, or it may be any family functions. You can go for the 5-star hotels. So why 5-star hotels? Because it represents richness. It represents most modern technology, most modern facility are available in this type of hotels. That's why they charge very highest price. Next point. Now hotels, we can classify the hotels on the basis of location and clientele. What do you mean by location and clientele? Here, downtown hotels. What do you mean downtown hotels? A downtown hotel is located in the center of the city or within a short distance from business center, shopping areas and theaters, public office, etc. See, downtown hotel is a hotel, or it may be they will be having a building, or it may be a hotel near to the area of the city, or it may be city center, or it may be nearer to the theater, nearer to the mall, near to the railway station, near to the bus stand. So like these hotels are the very near. So it will be very convenient for the guest, or it may be travelers to go for downtown hotel. So it is maybe 3-star hotels or any other biggest hotels, small hotels or medium size hotels, but they will be we can classify these type of hotels on the basis of location. Next point, it refers to an area that is considered to be the commercial hub of the city. Usually, even though the Bangalore is very big city, but they will located in the center point of the city area where you can find more number of customers. It may be nearer to the theater, nearer to the shopping mall, nearer to any public place. So they will locate the hotel in that type of place. Next one, the Hotel International. Now, what are the example we can give to this type of hotels? So, for example, Hotel International, New Delhi, and also Hotel Meridian, Pune are examples of the downtown hotels. So you can find near to the Mysuru also. You'll be having, for example, if you go to the city area, there are a lot of hotels which are nearer to the bus stand. So that type of hotels also we can consider for the hotel, downtown hotel. Next one, suburban hotels. So these type of hotels usually provide regional facility. It may be like just comfort facility they will provide. Suburban means it is not like Bangalore and all, Bangalore or Hyderabad or Chennai. It's like Mysuru, Belgaum and other types of cities we can find. So as the land cost is in the city center is higher and the space is limited, some entrepreneurs build their hotels near to the outskirts of the city, providing the similar facility of the downtown hotel. What do you mean by that? See, in the city center, the land cost is very much high, and also the area what they get, the space what they get, that is very limited. But some entrepreneurs or hotel owners will build the hotels outside the city or outskirt area of the city, and they will try to provide the same facility what are available in the downtown hotel, but with a large space and also very quality of service. So that's why it is called as suburban hotels. You can find, for example, if you go into in the ring road area, if you, out of the Mysuru, you get the outskirts of the Mysuru. So there you can find a suburban hotels which provides the same type of facility which are available in the city center hotels. Next one, resort hotels. What do you mean by resort hotels? You might have heard or you might have visited a resort. So even though these are the hotels which were built in hilly area, forest area, or maybe river flowing area, like this, these hotels will be built. So what are the facilities they will provide? So they will provide luxurious facilities. Some of the hotels will provide the luxurious hotels also, comfortable facilities also, and basic facilities also according to the needs of the customer. But hotels that are located at the tourist destinations such as hill stations, sea, beaches and countryside areas referred as the resort hotels. So usually these hotels are not in cities. They will go to the countryside area and also they will build a hotel with a large acres of land. So it may be 10 acres or 5 acres of land. They will build a hotels and also they will provide swimming pool facility. Tourists who are coming from the so far area, it may be like Bangalore, it may be city center. So they are coming to this, it may be forest or river flowing area, or maybe hill stations. So they come for to get a peaceful mind, and also they want to spend their weekends in these resorts with their families and with their friends. For that, these hotels will provide the facilities. It may be drinks, it may be food facility, and some hotels are providing the night camp and fire camp facilities also provided by the hotels in the resort. So these hotels have a very calm and natural ambience. So these hotels will provide, usually they are located in the forest area, and also they will provide the river flowing facilities also. They will provide in the resort, and good lights and also good ambience, which is very very natural. So the guest will feel very very calm and very very natural when they visited to resorts. So you can find this type of area where you can find it may be Coorg, or it may be any other Western Ghats hilly areas, and also you can also find northeastern Indian part. So you can find the resort hotels. Next one, airport hotels. So airport hotels are usually concentrated nearby the airport. So usually they will get international customers. So next one, airport hotels are situated in the vicinity of airport and other ports of entry. Usually it may be seaport, or it may be airport, or it may be any other vicinity of the ports. You can find these type of hotels, but usually they have to provide the very very standard hotels, like 5-star hotels facility they have to provide, offering all the service of the commercial hotels. These hotels are generally patronized by the passengers who need a stopover en route their journey. What do you mean that? For example, some passengers while traveling abroad, so they need some food facilities and also accommodation, they need lodging, they need. So for them, these hotels will provide the facility. It may be food, or it may be short time duration of the lodging facility also they will provide with a very very standard facility like 5-star hotels, because they are getting, or they are dealing with the international customers. They have to provide the very qualified and also very standardized service for the international customers in the airport hotels. Next one, motels. What do you mean motels? See, the word motel is formed by a merging of two words called motor and hotels. So for example, motorists who traveling in the highway, for example, let's understand. So they are traveling from Bangalore to Delhi. So usually motorists, or it may be they are going in a highway, so they need some rest in between their journey. So this type of hotels will provide the facility where they can stay for 1 night or 2 nights, and also they will provide the food and beverages facility. So they are located primarily on highways. So usually these hotels are located primarily on the highways, and also provide modest lodging to the highway travelers. So these hotels will provide the lodging facility and also food, beverages and other facilities for the highway travelers. Next one, facilities such as accommodation, food and drinks, garage facilities, parking lot and refueling facilities. So usually they located in the highways, and also what are the facilities they can provide usually? So they can refueling facility of their vehicles, and also garage facility. If there is any repairs for their vehicles, they can provide the garage facility also, and also food, and they can take a rest for a few hours. They can take a rest in their rooms, and also they can provide and they can have the food in these type of hotels. Next one, floatels. What do you mean by floatels? See, floatels are the hotels which can float on the water. See, if you go to the Kerala, in the backwater you can see the boat house, and also you can find the cruise liners. So if you go to Goa, so you can find the cruise liners. So these are the hotels which are floating on the water, and also they can provide all the types of facilities what you can find in the ordinary hotels. You can find all the types of facilities on the water. They will provide the water, so they will be having good ambience, like on the water boat will be flowing. For example, usually the married couples and other family members visit tourist spot in the water area and hilly area. It may be waterfalls, it may be sea, or it may be rivers. So in these rivers you can find the floatels where hotels are floating on the water, and also they will provide all types of, it may be rooms, or it may be food, it may be beverages. So it is good environment they can provide, so you can see water everywhere, and also the hotel will be floating on the water. So it is very good experience. You can find very good experience in the floatels. So these are hotels largely concentrate on the tourist spots and also water flowing areas. So usually these are rivers, or it may be beach side. So you can find these type of hotels, and also they will provide the lodging, and also they have platform including the cruise line and houseboats. So usually if you can find the houseboats or boat house in the Kerala side, or it may be other river areas. Next one, some of them provide luxurious also, even though the floatels also can provide the very luxurious facilities. So where you can find in the 5-star hotel facility, those same 5-star hotel facility you can find in the floatels. Accommodation also provided in the floatels. Next one, along with food and beverage facilities to guests. So these floatels will provide the food and beverages facilities also, like houseboats in Dal Lake, and also in Srinagar, Jammu and Kashmir, and some examples of floatels in India. Other examples also are there, just like Kerala or backwater, or it may be lakes, like these type of hotels are available. Next one, hotels. What do you mean hotels? So hotels on railway, hotels on rails. For example, if you go to the Golden Chariot, so it is one of the very expensive railway service provided by the Indian Railway. So these type of the hotels we can find the on the wheels, or hotel on the railway. The hotels which rotate on the wheels are called hotels. So on wheels these hotels are built. So it is also called as motel on wheel. Motel on wheel. Next one, the best example of the hotels in India is Palace on Wheels. So what is mean Palace on Wheels? It is a rail facility, or it is a very luxurious rail which can run from one part of the country to another part of the country through railway. It is a luxurious train facility, air conditioned and well furnished with a attached restaurant and bar. So in these hotels you can find the very luxurious restaurant and also bar facilities are also available. Next one, the fare is also inclusive of all train tickets, food, alcoholic beverages and sighting. So in this type of hotels you can find the sighting facilities are also provided by the railway, and also beverages and also food facility, and also very expensive lodging facilities and also room facility also provided. Next one, example Golden Chariot is there. Next one, Maharaja Express and also Royal Rajasthan are one of the example for the hotels, which are the hotels which are built on the railway. That's it, the hotel which are built inside the rail, that is called as hotels. Next one, in the next session we are going to discuss on other types of classification of the hotel industry, and also we can discuss the marketing mix of the hotel industries, how we can market the hotel industry, what are the steps and what are the types of service, or how we can improve the service of the hotel industry. These are the important topics we will continue in the next session. Till then, thank you so much.